Hey guys, you're watching Keep It Up, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to get any academic book notes, lectures, quizzes, assignments and course content for free now. Because if you're a semester student or a university student, then when teacher gives you the books or the slides for the course content, then you, in many cases, there is a lot of information which is given in the book, and if you read the topic 1 to 2 times, you do not get the concept of the topic, because there is also many a lot of information, and to get the main theme of the topic and to get the concept, it is very difficult for you. So I am here with this video for you, because in this video I'm going to tell you how to get the authentic notes and the easily understandable notes for the topic of your semesters or any program, academic career, subject lectures, so that you will get the topic clearly and get the or on the good grades. So first of all, this video is both for university student as well as F.Sc student and Matric student. For university student it's really helpful, and for F.Sc student and Matric student I am also going to tell you how to get your notes for your subject, which is math, physics and so on, chemistry, biology. But for university student this is really helpful for you. Okay, so you must need to watch this video. Lectures are in soft form, printable form, in hard form. Notes you can convert them. Concepts are written in easy language with sketches. Okay, so actually this video really helpful to me in my academic career, and I think so this will really helpful to you in getting good grades, so and earning good grades, and because these notes are written in very much understandable and easy way. So let's go to the Chrome and search NPTEL web course. NPTEL web course. Okay, here, search it here like this. Okay, so now click on the courses NPTEL and it will open. So here these are the video courses. These video courses are really helpful for you, because if you want to understand the concept, and if you're weak in getting the concept, then you need to watch the videos first and then you get the notes. Okay, because video are really helpful to you in learning the basic theme of the topic and the concept of the topic. But if you want the notes of the topic of any subject of your any semester subject, then on the left side click on the web course here. Okay, now these are the web courses. Now choose your field of studies. List of discipline here is special engineering, biotechnology, chemical and so on, electrical engineering, economics, physics and atmospheric science, architecture, special series economics है, law है, और एग्रीकल्चर भी है, इसमें फिजिक्स है, मैथमेटिक्स है, इंजीनियरिंग के तकरीबन सारे सब्जेक्ट हैं, उसके साथ साथ फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, मैथ, तकरीबन हर फील्ड से डिसिप्लिन से आपके सब्जेक्ट यहाँ पे मौजूद हैं. Okay, so I bachelor in mechanical engineering, so I'm clicking here on mechanical engineering. And okay, so these are different subjects of mechanical engineering, so you can also proceed here. Okay, so like this one, so I am clicking on the engine combustion on this course, and now this course will open, and here these are different lectures. Okay, you can go next and proceed in the lectures. Okay, here in a similar way, and if you want, here you can proceed. Okay, so here if you click on the download, here you get the zip file for your for the complete lectures which are present here. You can also read them on the internet, and if you want to download them, you can click download a zip file, and it will start downloading this. Okay, so after extracting this, you will get a complete file of all these lectures here. Okay, so if you want the quizzes, self-evaluation, so these are different assignments which are given in this course, and others. Okay, references PDF. Okay, so this is how you get the lectures for your course and self evaluation, quizzes and assignments. So similarly, if you are in any other field of study, economics, okay, so in a similar way, you click here and you will get the lecture. Actually, In economics, there are only video lectures. Okay, okay. In physics, okay, there are lectures of physics. Okay, so you can click, and in a similar way, you get the. Sure, in agriculture department. So in a similar way, there are different courses. Okay, so if you click here again, it will open and you will download the lectures here. Okay, I am now downloading them. Okay, so this is in the same way. Actually, the internet connection is weak. So this video is almost complete, and I have tell you how you can get the lectures for your semester subjects or any course you are enrolled in. So this is all about. If you have liked the video, then share it with others and tell them about this opportunity so that they are also benefited. And thank you very much.